Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply as a content creator or as a CapCut creator in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already opened my CapCut, and you can just go to your profile clicking on the me button, and here there will be an option to apply to be a creator. Click on that option, and CapCut will lead you to this page, apply to be a template creator. So a template creator is a CapCut user who creates templates for other people to use. So by becoming a template creator, you can show your creativity, build your audience, and also get cash rewards. So to apply, you can just scroll down and fill in this form. First, you need to fill in your phone number and add your video portfolio. You can also import it from your TikTok account and add your social media account link in here. And after that, just click on submit. So after you submit, CapCut will review your application, and if they think you are capable or you are suitable for to be a CapCut creator, they will accept you and you can start creating your CapCut templates. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.